In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the taskbar on multiple displays in Windows 11. Making sure your taskbar appears on all your connected monitors can greatly enhance your multitasking experience and help you navigate with ease across your entire setup. Let's get started by opening the Settings app. You can do this easily by holding down the Windows key and pressing the I key simultaneously. This is a quick shortcut to bring up the Settings window, which is your gateway to customizing and personalizing your Windows experience. Once you're in the Settings window, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. Find and select the Personalization option. It might be tempting to explore the other settings, but today we're diving specifically into how to manage your taskbar settings. Inside the Personalization section, you'll see various options for customizing your Windows 11 experience. Navigate to the Taskbar option to customize how your taskbar appears and functions. Clicking on this will present you with a number of settings that pertain to how the taskbar behaves across your monitors. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Taskbar Behaviors. This is where the magic happens for customizing your taskbar across multiple displays. Click on Taskbar Behaviors and you will see a list of different settings you can adjust. Here you'll be looking for the option that says Show my taskbar on all displays. To enable this feature, simply click the checkbox next to it. Activating this option will immediately allow your taskbar to appear on every monitor that's currently connected to your computer. And that's it. Now when you move your cursor or open an app, the taskbar will be there on both or all of your screens, waiting to assist you in your multitasking endeavors. It's a straightforward feature, but having the taskbar readily available across all your monitors can dramatically streamline your workflow. Remember, enabling your taskbar on all displays not only provides quicker access to apps in the Start menu, it also helps ensure that notifications and system icons are easily accessible without having to switch your focus from one screen to another, so you can keep those tasks moving along smoothly. If at any point you wish to change this setting back to its original state, simply return to the same Taskbar Behaviors section and deselect that option. Windows 11 is designed to be flexible, offering you the control to tailor your environment exactly to your needs. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to set up your taskbar across multiple monitors. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more handy Windows tips and tricks.